Alright, we've got a nice little change of pace because I'm working at night. Here is the rotation mechanism for the torso. This is going to be the new place where the legs attach to the sort of the new hips, and the torso will be actually the full torso. This PVC looks a little thin. That's just because it's sort of a temporary template. I'm going to be using some really long screws to be attaching the frame of the torso right onto these, so we'll have more direct contact and be a bit more sturdy. But an issue I see could happen would be this center post right here. I'll probably get some, maybe it's 5/8 inch threaded sock I have lying around, and just put it in the center to help add some strength to it, so it doesn't immediately, break as soon as you try to move it a bit. But it rotates fairly easily from inside the torso. You can have like some rope or something that connects to an anchor point right here, and when you pull on the rope, aka a pedal, it will pull it in one direction or the other. I'll have to end up putting some stops to keep the torso from spinning all the way around. Probably just some wood in the path of the casters here. But things are slowly progressing, and hopefully, maybe by the end of the week, I don't know, I'll have the torso on the hip turntable deck. That sounds like a good name, turntable deck. So, until next time, bye-bye.